The second evening of the Gopalpur Beach Festival was inaugurated by the Honorable Minister for Revenue and Disaster Management, Shri Suresh Pujari, who described the festival as one of the finest, praising its unique blend of sea arti, cultural splendor, and scenic marine beauty. The minister recalled his association with Ganjam district and expressed happiness over the revival of the festival after 2 years. He also appreciated the exhibition by the Indian Navy and Coast Guard. Honorable Minister for Food Supplies and Consumer Welfare and Science and Technology, Shri Krishna Chandra Patra, said Ganjam cultural heritage make it uniquely capable of hosting such a distinctive festival and expressed confidence that it would contribute to the revival of art, literature and culture in the district. Minister for Commerce and Transport, Steel and Mines Shri Vibhuti Bhushan Jaina highlighted the devotional sea aarti by priests from Varanasi as a major attraction and appreciated the role of media in promoting the festival globally. Renowned singers Maithili Thakur, Sohini Mishra, Rahul Sipligunj and Sashank Shekhar enthralled the audience while a vibrant showcase of local national dances including Odissi, Kalbelia, Sambalpuri, Bihu, Lavani, Mallakham and tribal dances mesmerized spectators. Several dignitaries attended the event and winners of sports events and eminent personalities were felicitated on this occasion.
Mira